If your Cadillac XT4 is refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. The fix is usually simpler than you think. Statistically, over 60% of wired CarPlay issues are caused by a low-quality charging cable rather than the car's infotainment system. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find exactly where your connection is breaking down. Start by ensuring CarPlay isn't restricted in your iPhone settings and perform a hard reset on the Q infotainment system. If you are using a cable, ensure it is an original Apple lead and check your phone's port for pocket lint. For wireless users, both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi must be on, and any active VPNs should be disabled to allow the handshake. Distinguish between a software glitch that a reset can fix and a hardware failure requiring a visit to the Cadillac Service Center. Most owners find success simply by swapping the cable or performing a system reset, with very few needing actual hardware repairs. If all else fails, a battery disconnect can force the vehicle modules to power cycle and clear stubborn communication errors. Keep a high-quality certified cable and a basic wrench in your glove box to handle these tech hiccups on the road. Remember, most connectivity issues are just temporary handshake errors that a simple fresh start can resolve. With these steps, your Cadillac XT4 should be back in sync. Safe driving, and we'll see you in the next video.